Today we participated in a press conference with Representative Sharice Davids talking about clean energy tax credits and other benefits of the Inflation Reduction Act. As we know, those credits ended for residential homeowners at the end of 2025. Hoping to bring them back soon, and we appreciate Representative Davids' support in bringing awareness to this issue.
The tax credits that I have been pushing for are so important for so many different reasons. There are lots of different types of tax credits that benefit just regular people, whether we're talking about the child tax credit or the tax credits that help people make their homes more energy efficient, that help people put solar panels on their homes are so important, in part because it helps reduce down the monthly utility costs. It's a great investment for someone's home.
I'm sure if any of us have looked at our utility bills lately, it kind of makes you cringe a little bit. It seems like the utility rates are going up a lot faster than perhaps the pace of inflation these days. We, of course, are major proponents for future tax credits. We would hope that they would come back so we can continue working towards a greener, cleaner future and help more Kansans to just reduce that monthly burden that they feel in their wallets.
People are really just struggling to make ends meet, struggling to make sure that they can pay all of their bills. And the tax credits that I am continuing to fight for, whether it's the child tax credit, the affordable care tax credits, or to help people with their energy efficiency at home, these are exactly the types of things that all of us in Washington should be focused on because they benefit our constituents.